Hello guys, welcome back. Today I have a super cool idea for you. See this speaker I found in scrap. It has a super strong magnet on the outside. I'm going to use it to hunt for more scrap materials. Let's go see what we can find. I need a box now. Guys, let me check what this is. Oh my god, guys, this is a vintage radio. See, this really take me back to the old days. Oh, surprise! I see another item here. It's an old model emergency light. It's not just an emergency light. It also has a cassette player and radio. Guys, look at all things taped to our speaker. Here is another item. Wait, what is this? Oh, it's a car stereo. Guys, let me check all scrap items I found. So many items are stuck to your speaker. Guys, have you seen this? This is a vintage cassette. So guys, how's it? I found this cool mini fan, but sadly, it's not working. Look guys, I found a Bluetooth speaker, an old CD, a CD drive, a broken remote control card. Look at this guys, it's a beautiful trimmer, but sadly it's not working. Here is another trimmer. This is also not working. Wow, nice toy. Oh my god, here is another Bluetooth speaker. None of those are working, but we can fix them up. We need to restore this old radio. So guys, how is it? Did you like it? Look at this. Some people call this elephant earbuds. Wow, nice car stereo. Check this out guys. It's a modified car stereo. It's a TV speaker. Haha, wow! Here is a cute chick. Oh no, the chick's leg is broken. Wow, amazing! It's actually working. Oh, but the cassette player isn't working. Aha, what's this new item? Wow, it's beautiful. Now we've seen what we got with the speaker. Wow, there's a lot of items. Friends, shall I show you a cool gadget I made from the scrap? How is my idea? I hope everyone liked this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye.